All right. So there are various ways to do caregiver assessment. It has been shown to be one of the very necessary, you can say, aspect of providing a care continuum, is to not just assess the patient in terms of his discharge needs, right? Discharge planning in Singapore, we know hospital to home, right? We all kind of start to hear about the age to age. Hospital to home, so discharge planning thing comes, multidisciplinary team, social worker, nurse, doctor, all sit in the room, and then the patient comes in, don't know what's going on, and then the caregiver comes in, try to act like he knows what's going on, but actually he doesn't know what's going on either, right? And then listen to everybody speak what he wants to speak, and in the end, so what do I need to do? Right? So that's the discharge planning process of the social worker there as well, right? Most of the time, this meeting doesn't involve asking about caregiver, how are you? So we have a patient-focused care model. That's not wrong to begin with, but that's no longer sufficient. There's a plethora of assessment batteries available just to assess caregivers. Really. It's not that we don't have validated tools. It's only that some of these require professional training to be used. And so then our geriatric social worker, clinical geropsychologists, psychologists, clinical psychologists, etc., could actually be trained to use them and implement them at discharge planning. Right? Decision-making and health information access are also other issues. Today we say we have what? NEHR, or in the making, so to speak. I think 10 years ago it was in the making. National Electronic Health Records, right? I hope some phase 1 will be completed. I don't know if it is completed already, but I know the GP module is a big headache for them because the GP are really just outside of that. Then there's the private space, which like Raffles Hospital, nobody knows what's going on there, for example, right? I just don't know how yet, but I hear that they are making progress. So today we have the Health Hub, so you could download that on your phone, right? And then your frail father or mother could just authorize you, and then you could get all his information from there. Whatever that the hospital allows to be uploaded on Health Hub regarding that particular patient or senior from your household, right? You get access, you get information on that. Right, okay, so we have covered that. We say that a new paradigm or new care model needs to move away from the patient-centered nature into a person-centered nature, and thereafter a family-centered nature. Patient-centered nature, you know what that means. That means there's a disease, there's an underlying diathesis or vulnerability to disease, right? Therefore, we treat that vulnerability by prevention. Or there is some kind of pathogen or trauma like accident, so we cure. Right? That's the medical model, that biomedical model. We have moved beyond that, obviously. We have now moved into things like biopsychosocial, even spiritual model, right? So we say that, look, we must take care of wellness, we must take care of the other aspects of life. The person isn't just a patient, he's a person. It's not just a patient that exists in the healthcare system, right? So we have discharge planning teams. Third point there is an example of multidisciplinary care teams. We know that. Separate roles right now, we already in the last 10 years at least have this term that we use in Singapore called caregiver, and we more or less have an idea what this or who this caregiver is from the profile we discussed earlier. A continuum of care sort of exists right now within your formal care system from what, hospital to home or home to hospital, home to actually primary care, after that primary care to hospital, then perhaps to SOC, then after that to long-term care, and then there's a whole range of long-term care, all those things sort of have all those. Now that's person-centered care, right? The thing is, we don't see much of caregiver support and intervention in this person-centered care because the person is kind of the patient to begin with, right? Who became a person. So from patient became a person. That's great. But now we need to move into perhaps a family, where long-term care, where chronic illness is concerned. The person who comes into the system is no longer a patient only. He's no longer a person only, but he or she exists as part of a family. This family makes decisions, as we have seen, right, regarding long-term care, utilization, the various services. This family also should be a part of the team. That means liaise with, communicate with, and most importantly, I would say, advocate for, right? Becomes a health/social advocate for that so-called patient, the person in need of critical care. So this family-centered model will have roles in the care team, right? For every single different person, including the family. That's based on the family's needs. So this family may have, say, financial problem. This family may be a sandwich generation where there's young and old both to take care of, right? That care team needs to take into account that, and then financial as well as other services need to be kind of reasonably provided. Continuum of care exists, continuum of care that exists should comprise both formal and informal care. That means to say, look, now we should start to imagine that formal and informal care does not have to be different. We do not have to have a gap or a line, a boundary where this side is formal, paid, professional, high class, right? Professors, doctors, and so on. This side, unskilled, right? No need to pay, free of charge. 38 hours per week is nothing to them, it's nothing to us. They should give more and they should continue. There is a line, right? And this line or this wall, like, should be progressively broken down. Then we can have continuum of care. So the interventions that I will move into are really individual-centered practices that both formal as well as informal caregivers could pick up, right, and use with seniors at home. Now, I think this is the last slide in this section. This is the person and family focused. I think once again my formatting of slides, right? There are some other words there. It's supposed to read person and family focused care. Right? This is the American model, right? It's in your readings which I gave you, right? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main elements, right? And then each of those elements has implications on care delivery. We could consider, but not copy and paste, obviously, right? From the American model. We need to start to work on ourselves, work out our own Singapore model. Now, any care model will obviously have to take care of issues at the individual, at the organizational, and at the societal or policy level. Right? Today, because of the nature of this course, right, I've scoped it such that we just touch on the individual. You hear many of the examples I talk about, and the things that we discuss are at the individual level, right? It's not to say that the other two levels, organizational and policy levels, aren't important or that they're too difficult that we should take care of them. No, right? But that actually I intend to reserve them for my other classes. I'm also teaching the demographic change one. So that one, I will talk about those two levels. Now, there is supposed to be a policy specialization, right? So I think that will fit that. Here, continuum of care, I think it's, to me at least, my own conceptualization of the course is more at individual level. So I think I should go into the nitty-gritties. So this is why, right? If you put all those together, then yes, we can have a model. Okay. Okay, one more. Right, the processes, the person-to-person processes that should be involved. We need to find ways to identify informal caregivers, and don't just do that because we have good-hearted GPs, enlightened GPs, but do that systematically. Create a system. Right? We need to, number two, assess their suitability, assess their willingness to work with various healthcare providers, assess their financial resources and other resources. Then, the third point, whatever we provide, whatever support we provide for them, such as those that you saw in that MOH diagram, right, that I asked you to look at, would make sense. Because then those support will be tailored. Whoever works out the support for these caregivers in the care team would know what to tailor. And finally, we should prepare these former caregivers to be a part of the care model. Right? We cannot just stop at providing the support, whether financial or FDWs and so on. Why? Because we can give. These people might not take it. We can give $200 per month. They may not opt in or they may opt out. Right? So we are good at giving, but they may not take it. When they don't take it, that means what we are giving may not suit them. We are not meeting them, right? So we need to prepare them to take this, prepare them to be a part of the process. All right. Okay. In dementia care, there is a roadmap for professional dementia caregiving, social workers, counselors, and so on. Right? I took that from this this website, which you could click in to find more information. Right? Going by the competency levels, there's foundation level, right? The red color, right? Providing a dementia-friendly environment, course title. So there are various courses, right, aimed at different proficiency levels or competency level. Then there is basic level, then the yellow intermediate level, and then the advanced level. I don't think they have made this a WSQ, workplace skill qualification yet. I would imagine they would like to. I would like to if I'm involved in that. I hope you know what WSQ is. Singapore, right? The different levels, right? Now, we don't have something like that for informal dementia caregivers, let alone other caregivers of other. Right? We don't have incremental levels of proficiency. Whether, never mind course, but even if it's not a course, just let's say a seminar, a training, we don't have that kind of roadmap. So they get trained bits and pieces and a bit here and a bit there. Hear what this person say, go for support group, caregiver support group there, a bit here and there, and that's all we could provide today. That's because we don't have a model of care for informal caregivers. Right? So a model of care that incorporates or includes informal caregivers would have a roadmap. Right? Never mind you're a new caregiver of dementia or whatever. We know you have zero knowledge and skill. Never mind, let's start from zero. So this is that, followed by. We know you work full-time, so never mind, we'll structure in a way such that you can still attend. Right? We know you are very stressed already, taking exam will freak you out. Never mind, we'll have suitable assessment, both formative and summative assessment. You know what that is, right? To deal with adult learning environment. So the adult learning aspect needs to come. Right? In school education, we call it pedagogy. So adult learning, we call it andragogy. That needs to be put into this kind of training. That's right. We need to actually develop the WSQ for informal care sector. Thing is, who will fund this? All these other professionals out there who are equipped, who are skilled, right? So now COVID-19, people lose their job. Never mind, government say go and reskill, right? And people go reskill so that hopefully one day when COVID-19 is kind of subsided or stabilized, new skills we can use. Employment income. But how about informal caregiving? Do we pay these people so they go and skill themselves? Right, roadmap, basic, intermediate, advanced, and so on. After that, provide better care, yes, to their family members. Yeah, to many of them, that will be it. That will be great, good enough. But could we actually, that's right, financially incentivize this? Could build the financial part into this. Think about it, the whole WSQ framework, actually one of the bedrocks is that this newfound skills, incremental levels of proficiency actually leads a person to a higher socio-economic status, right? Best of all, adult learning is aimed at what we call mature students, not young undergraduate students, 21, no, not those. They're for people who are career transit, people who are in their middle adulthood, right? These are really the people of the profile of our caregivers, right? Remember that? Our caregivers are really belong to this middle adult category. So I asked this question again. So far, some of those places I've asked don't have an answer because they're not ready for it. There's no financial framework to incentivize. So our support remains supportive. That means give 200, 100. Means testing, okay, maybe a bit more, right? For you, special case 200 plus. Right? We give that. We may even give that every month, consistent, right? But that's about it. It is a one-off. It's what in economic sense, what we call in economic terms, transfer payments. So that's about it. It is not developmental. It doesn't build capability, and obviously it doesn't build capacity. Capability meaning skills. Capacity meaning mass impact. It doesn't build either of them.